Born in Switzerland, Angelika Kauffmann is one of the most famous women in European art history, who worked mainly in London and Rome. Unusually for a female artist, she devoted herself to historical painting, which featured depictions of historical, biblical, and mythological scenes. Instead of male heroes, her works were dominated by delicate and often melancholic female figures. Her work was so beloved that she was called both the Muse with a brush and Miss Angel. There was even a saying that the whole world has gone Angelica-mad. Kauffmann's phenomenon was based on her artistic mastery, conformity with the tastes of the era, as well as her singularity. The artist is a charming lady. Another exceptional fact was that she was one of the founding members of the Royal Academy, which founded in London in 1768. Innovative people at the time thought that ultimate beauty, based on ancient examples, was not related to emotions, but to the intellect. This was contrasted with the tasteless, i.e., beauty exaggerated by mimicry and gestures that represented already outdated styles. Thus, rational and balanced beauty can be crowned being the best. The paintings were created for London publisher Anne Breyer, who published Kauffmann engravings. It has also become clear that one of the paintings was created in London and the other in Venice, where the artist had relocated. Although only a few months had elapsed between the completion of the two paintings, there is a striking difference in the way they were painted. The work, created in Italy, is an airy painting with soft contours, characterized by the free and vigorous brushstrokes characteristic of the Venetian school. Kauffmann's charmingly emotional world of images was mostly reproduced in England, and the motifs of her engravings can also be found on fans, embroidery, and porcelain. Her paintings were later used to decorate porcelain, a striking example of which is the decorative vase made in the Potschappel Porcelain Factory in Dresden in the late 19th century, the decoration of which is based on her composition Beauty Wreathed by Perfection.